Well, last night, David, you had us woofing, but tonight we're really going to the dogs.
We are. We're not going to touch woofing as in organic farming, which was last night, an acronym. Tonight we're actually going to look at 4 breeds of dogs and from 4 different cultures and how they came by their names. Now, the first is Corgi, which is the small Welsh dog and is literally Welsh for dwarf dog. The other is a German dog, the sausage dog, which we have come to know as the Dachshund. And it literally means a badger dog. But because of its long cylindrical body, it was perfect for actually burrowing or ferreting, if you like, into badger burrows to catch the badger.
And it's interesting that we say ferreting because a ferret is a creature with a long body that goes
Exactly
into holes
right.
as well.
In fact, almost a canine equivalent is the sausage dog. And the other is a Chinese fighting dog, which has those very kind of crumpled up skin. Now, that's called a Shar Pei. And it literally in Cantonese means sand skin because it's that's how it looks. It has that very sort of sandy coloured coarse skin. And the last one is actually from Africa and it's a Swahili word and the word is basenji. Now that describes those smooth skinned dogs from Africa that don't bark. And one conjecture about why the Swahili word the worthless is pertaining to this dog is possibly because if a dog doesn't woof, what good is a dog?
Thank you very much, David. Canine Insights. Let's go to our scores now. Ian is on 14. Veronica is on 24. There's been some strong scoring already tonight, and let's see if it continues. We're moving into our 3rd letter game, and Ian, would you select for us, please?
Thank you, Richard. I'll start with a vowel, please.
Thanks, Ian. Starting with an I.
A consonant.
L.
Another consonant.
F.
Another vowel, please.
E.
A vowel.
A.
Another consonant.
T.
Another consonant.
B.
Another consonant.
P.
And a vowel, please.
And lastly, O.
Thank you, Lily. Your time starts now. Well, Ian, how did you go this time?
7 again, Richard.
The sort of consistency we like. Very nice. Veronica?
Just 6.
Oh, we were hoping for a 7 from you as well. What was your 6, please?
Foible.
And your 7?
Potable.
Potable. Can be drunk.
That's exactly right. Well played, Ian. A great 7. And in fact, I think this may be one of the words of which I'm proudest to have found because it's a very difficult word to find. It's a compound word and you would hope to have some potable water when you're in this, and that's a lifeboat.
Ah, very nice. Very nice. So lifeboat for
8, I should
For
say.
8, yes. I was going to say, it wasn't quite a 9. It almost sounded like a 9 build-up. I was keeping fingers
I wish it
crossed
was a
there.
9, but I feel as though it was a 9 to find it.
Excellent. Well done. And well done to Ian. 7 points. Let's move straight on to our 4th letter game of the night now. And Veronica, what would you like to choose this time?
Can I start with a consonant, please, Lily?
You can, thanks, Veronica. G.
And another consonant?
R.
Another consonant?
M.
And another consonant?
Another R.
A vowel, please?
E.
Another vowel?
A.
A vowel, please?
I.
Another consonant, please?
Another R.
And a consonant, please.
And lastly, L.
Thank you, Lily. Let's start the clock. How many for you this time, Veronica?
6.
And for you, Ian?
6 as well.
Oh, consistency once again. We like that. Veronica, what was yours?
Larger.
And yours, Ian?
The same.
Absolute consistency. David, we're going to have to do some splitting up over here.
Yes, it's larger than life, the pair of them.
Actually, what I must ask is just that you verify with each other before we move on. Thank you very much.
I dabbled around with those R's trying to find a word that had the 3 of them in it, and the one that I found was marrier. It sounds strange. It is a word, one who marries a couple, or possibly one who gets married.
Very nice. 6 points each for Veronica and Ian, bringing those score totals to 27 for Ian, 30 points for Veronica. So a very tight competition with only 3 points separating our contestants as we go into this next round. It's our next numbers game. And Ian, your choice this time, please.
Thank you. Lily, I'll start with 3 large numbers and 3 small numbers. Thank you.
3 large and 3 small. Thanks, Ian. And starting with the smalls, 10, 9 and 2. And the 3 large, 75, 100 and 50. And the target to reach, 403.
Let's hit there. How close did you get that time, Ian?
Nowhere near it, Richard.
Nowhere near, certainly not within the scoring area. Okay, Veronica?
401.
401, just 2 off. So please take us through your method.
Okay, 100 plus 75 is 175.
100 plus 75 is 175.
Times 2 is 350.
By 2 is 350.
Plus 50 is 400.
Plus 50 is 400.
Plus 10 minus 9 is 401.
Plus 10 minus 9 gives you 401.
So well done, Veronica. Just 2 off the target. Lily, could you do any better?
I got 402, but this one was a tough nut to crack.
A really tough one. Well, it must have been. So well done to Veronica. 7 points to her. That means our score totals now. Ian is on 27, Veronica on 37. We're heading to our next break and your next word mix. This time it's rain dory. And the clue for you, middle of the road. Back in a while.